Well, g'day folks. I thought I'd go through some new fishing gear that I bought. Some that I'm keeping and some that I'm returning. I haven't been out fishing for the last 3 or 4 days. And mainly because it's been too hot. Really too hot. And there's no shade on my boat. So I've been getting way too cooked. So I went and bought some stuff to help me with the heat. So I have a big hat with a cover over your neck, and I bought myself a neck scarf. So that'll cover my face to hopefully keep some of the heat off, because I haven't felt hot, but I've felt really hot and burnt once I've come in. So it's not good. I bought myself a long sleeve shirt. It's kind of made out of lycra material. They're proper fishing shirts. Long sleeves, zips up to your neck. They seem pretty good. So I probably didn't need that because I have a long shirt, but I bought that anyway. And I've been watching some other videos about sun smart stuff when you're fishing, so I bought some gloves as well to cover my hands, because I don't particularly like covering myself in suntan lotion because it's not good for your skin and it feels really gross. I bought some hooks and sinkers and stuff, but I'll go through that now. Where will I start? What I did do, just for everyone's interest, I bought some little barrel swivels, right? And I bought some red hooks, whatever size that is. I bought 2 different sizes. And I bought some sinkers, because I've got sinkers, but they're too small. And I bought a fishing rod because I didn't want to buy a fishing rod. However, the very end of my reel that adjusts the drag, that broke and flew off. So I went to just buy the end, and you can't easily just buy the end. So you can buy another reel. Another reel's like $50 or $100 for a cheap one, working your way up. So I bought a whole other setup. This one, no? Yeah, this one. So the whole thing, the rod and the new reel, I think that's the right one. Getting all my stuff muddled up. Anyway, you'll see the other one in a minute. So one of them cost $84 for the rod, the reel, and the line. So I thought, well, for $84, I may as well buy the whole lot instead of just a reel. So that's what I did. But then I went to Kmart and looked at their stuff. So I thought, well, their stuff is way cheaper. So I brought these hooks. They weren't dear. They're $5 each. These hooks. They're all about $5. These were $6, the sinkers, so they're not dear. But at Kmart, the same things pretty much were $2 each. So I bought the same things as I already had, but for $2 each. $2, $4.50 for the swivels, and some squid jigs that were $3 for 3. So I brought them, and I'm going to take the other stuff back probably just because I can. And I'm going to take this shirt back, not because it's not a good shirt. It's a very nice shirt, but it's 80 bucks. I was looking on eBay last night and I can buy the same thing for 20. So I'm going to take those back and use the eBay stuff that I bought. But the other rod from Kmart, which is kind of, look, it's the same but different. So the rod that was 89 bucks, 84 bucks, and the one from Kmart was 35. So I'm going to keep the Kmart cheap stuff, keep a couple of these things because they were on sale. Those gloves were 6 bucks. I'm happy with the gloves. It's mainly the rod and the shirt that was pretty dear. So I replaced those with cheaper stuff, which I'm sure will be fine. And I'll take the other ones back. But my main concern, the whole purpose of the story really, is I haven't been out for quite a few days fishing because I was getting way too hot, way too burnt. And I didn't burn where I felt like I was going to peel, but I just, too hot, too dehydrated. So I've got my big hat, I've now got my mask to keep the hot air and the wind off my face. I have the gloves, so I shouldn't have to cover myself in suntan lotion. And I'm going to have to pick my days better. I have a canopy for my boat, but I took it off because, well, it's very good. It's a very good make. It works very well for keeping the shade off, but you can't drive around with it on because the moment your boat goes up on the plane, the canopy kind of tilts back and it acts like a huge big sail. So it affects the boat and how fast you can maneuver it, and it's just a bit in the way. It gets in the way of the camera angles, and when you fold it forward out of the way, I don't have that front bench that I've been working off for doing my bait and my cray pots and all that type of stuff, so I can't use that. If I fold the canopy back, it sits on the engine. It rests on the engine cowling, so don't know what I'm going to do with that. I think you can get accessories for the canopy to fold back, and it folds back and sits on some arms, which keeps it off the engine, kind of keeps it folded up, but up a little bit. But that's going to be in the way too, so I don't know, but it's very important to have some shade, or at least be fully clothed up. So I think that's all I have to tell you about my new fishing gear. But it started off just trying to replace the little drag tensioner, which I don't know how that broke, but it broke. I found it on the floor of my boat in 2 bits, so I couldn't put it back on. Anyway, I think that is about it for this video. If you've got any thoughts or any suggestions about the cheapest rods I could find and the cheapest hooks and the $3 squid jigs, I'm a big fan of those squid jigs for $3, $1 each. Put them in the comments. Let me know what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong. Anyway, that's about it. I'll get out of my hot shed and I'll see you all in the next video. See ya.